20% of the installation that I have at home. And the experiment today is the journey of 4 senses. It's the color with the installation, LED light, and chocolate, and this is parfum. Then I have a questionnaire, and the friends that test all in 3 steps, they wrote what emotion they have or something changed when they taste after they hear the music or smell something. Mm-hmm. Yes. I was surprised because it's the emotion change, not only the light change or how you feel the music. Is it more intensive or not so intensive? Mm-hmm. But I think everybody is different, and everybody have other emotion and other feeling about this. And so this is an experiment for me because I'm not a real artist. The artists, they in Bangkok and everywhere, that real artists, they work hard, and I play more with this. And also I want research, because I think behind this all is a secret that we can use this for therapy too. Mm-hmm. Autism or Down syndrome or something like this. Mm-hmm. Because the reflection of this, the colors, and they are impulse for grow up. Maybe I know that autism, everybody is different, and so some of them are very sensitive, and they have the light and this all. Maybe they get crazy, but maybe for somebody of them, this is a healed process. That something happened in the brain, because I think we learn, we see, we hear when we are in the school. When we wrote, it's more the knowledge stay in the mind, more intensive. And I think when we taste or smell, maybe this is a part too that help to grow up, and yeah. Mm-hmm. And this is so the reason. I can tell a lot more, but it's very complicated.
So for a long time, we start a new art. We present about the many art here from last year, 2024. We have a lot of inspiration from the artists, the new generation from the artists. This room is very small, about the like acre. It's just only like 28 meters, but it's very full with the creativity, with the love. I mean, like, art is love. For me, art is not like only pen, but art is about communication. So today, I'm really appreciated to have your art here, and I'm really proud. And
happy that you give me the chance to.
For sure, and I'm really sorry about I'm really detailed. Here is not a business for me. I'm not earning money from here. I don't want to be rich from this. So that's why I always say to him, don't call my name, but please respect my kid. Here, the name is the KINDDEEP Art House, and welcome you guys to exhibition for the Explorer Research, Mr. Klaus.
Not exhibition?
Okay, whatever.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming. And I'm happy that I have, for the experiment that we want to make now, so much friends and family. The smell is most intensive, yes.
I mean, like the first time I feel like normally, but when some smell it at me, I feel drunk. I feel tight.
Yes.
I mean, like I want to leave because it's so tight. And chocolate, it can destroy me. So, but I think about the experience of this artwork, somebody may be like feeling touch their experience from the dark side, from the light side.